have a lot of contact details in Google Sheets and I wanted to send unlimited WhatsApp messages to all these customers in just one click. Sounds impossible, right? So now I have made it possible with this amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique that allowed me to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all these customers on WhatsApp like this for the weekend flash sale offer. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So here to set up the WhatsApp broadcast, we are going to use this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign up for free and the other one is sign in. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Also, if you're planning to get a demo for Pabbly Chatflow, then you can simply click on this demo option as well. Okay, so now here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount on your purchase. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to connect yours, you can watch out the videos available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so now as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that, we are going to access a feature of broadcast available over here. But before that, let me tell you that I am going to send a WhatsApp template message as a broadcast message, and for that I've already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too, but to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here in this template section, you can see the templates that I already have with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use a template that I already have with the name Flash Sale Announcement. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the automated WhatsApp message. To learn about how to create a template, you can watch all the tutorials available on our YouTube channel. So now here we are going to access this broadcast section, and in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. So to create a new one, we are going to click on this add broadcast button available over here and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast name, let's give it as bulk messages. This is a random name. Then comes the contact list. So you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages to all these contacts that I have in Google Sheets. So in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So for that, we're going to access this contact section, and under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of some existing list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this. And here you need to upload a CSV file, and as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV formatted file. Once you have a CSV data, then you need to upload that file over here. Click on this add contact button and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes refine audience, which is an optional method. Here you can exclude some contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the contact list that you have selected. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having having an active conversation within 24 hours. Then here it is asking me to select the message type. You can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular message, select this option. Select the message type from the drop down, and here if you're going to write a message, then you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So we're going to select the template that I already have with the name flash sale announcement. So this is my template, and here after selecting the template, it is asking me to test this broadcast message. So here before sending the WhatsApp message to your wider audience, you can send it on your WhatsApp number to test this broadcast. So here for the username, I'm going to add my own name over here, and I'm going to add my number. Then we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check it, and you can see I've received a new message over here similar to the template that I've created. So now here after testing this broadcast, it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message, then select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. And here you need to select a particular date and time as well. Here you need to select your future date and time, because if you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast section, and you can see a new broadcast has been added over here with the name bulk messages. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have date of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And also you can resend this failed message to all the valid contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of unlimited WhatsApp messaging without any manual work. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.